Cottage, a battleground tight. United's Lisandro made it a red night. One goal sealed the fate, a hard-fought game. United's march continues the same. Game week 23, the thrill in the air. From Bournemouth's blitz to Arsenal's flair. Stories of triumph, heartbreak and dreams. Premier League football reigns supreme. Week after week, the saga rolls on. Heroes are made and moments live long. In every stadium, the passion rings free. This is the heartbeat of the Premier League. The sound of Sport TV. Game week 23 Symphony. Weekly Round-Up sounds good.
Thanks for tuning in to the Sound of Sport TV, where we bring you the latest sports news and the hottest beats to keep your energy high. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling updates. Until next time, stay tuned and stay sporty.